So yesterday I was going through some of the smaller pieces that I collected. Spencer Opal mine, the ones left in the bucket I haven't gone through, and I was looking for a couple of small things that I could turn into some jewelry. All of these have color in them, but I came across this one in particular, and it's got a pink streak in it, and it has color. So we're gonna go ahead and shape it, see what we can get out of it. This will be my next piece. Stick around, watch the process. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh, there's nice color. Really nice color coming up the side. That's awesome. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this over the trim saw. Get rid of some of this back real quick. Be right back. Alright, that'll help us out a little bit. Alright, I'm seeing the color right up to here. I haven't seen it in that side yet. Doesn't mean it doesn't go through. It probably does. I'm hoping it does. It'll be awesome. This is going to be a great piece. Let me square this up or flatten the back out so it matches off a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get that kind of parallel. Finish flattening this out the rest of the way. And I'm going to put this on a dot so it's a little bit easier for me to hang on to and shape. That's where we're at right now. We'll go ahead and grind that top off. We'll lose all those little specks, get down into the color reflected really nice. I'm not going to remove anywhere near as much with this wheel. Kind of smooth everything out, get her shaped how we want, get rid of that top cap completely, all those little spots, and shaped a little more. I think we're about there on the shaping of it. Couple of little spots there on the top I'd like to see go away. Plenty of depth on this color bar, so not too concerned about those. One more right in there. Oh, I'm excited about this one. This one's turning out great. Nice pink streak. We got a little bit of darker color. I'm going to go a little bit deeper. See if I can expose some more of that dark. Yep, that's what I thought. That's going to be awesome. Color is in there. We're gonna go a little bit more. This is great. This is an awesome piece. Can't believe this. I'm so excited about this one. Can't even tell you. This is gonna look so good. Wrap that in silver and hey, I think that's pretty much where I'm gonna end it. I don't want to go too much further. It's got a good dome, nice high dome profile on it. Little pin fires everywhere. Gonna go ahead and polish it so we bring out some of that color a little bit better.